Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Marvelous Akinloye. Today I'm at the Unity Park in Uyo, and as you can see right behind me is a monument. I don't know if it's a monument, but this is the location for Best Friends in the World. If you remember that series, the high school series or whatever, the junior year and senior year. Just look at this place. I've been looking for this place for a while now because this is my 5th month in Uyo and I just found this place. So let me just show it. This is Unity Park in Uyo, Akwa State. So this is what it looks like. And there is a church over there. They call it the Full Life Christian Church Center. And this way, you see different variety of trees. And actually, we're going to that place next because that's the next big thing over there. Look at this. Look at this right here. I don't have anybody to do my tour guide, so I don't really know what this is actually.
They come too plenty. People where do admission no plenty.
Olive, what's wrong with you? Why are you doing like this? Olive? Huh? Your head, Damina, whatever your name is. I even came here to now see whether you guys have started this interview already, but I can't see no one. But nevertheless, it's wonderful, right? Adam, what's wrong with you?
So it's time for us to move to the other locations, and because this Unity Park is actually a very big one, I will show you around because I still have to go to my APTV, so I'll just be fast with everything and all that. So let me just show you this wonderful building right in front of me. It's very magnificent. This is the place I'm talking about. It looks like a museum. I don't really know what's inside, but let's go check it out. This place looks like a museum. Another one here. Honorable James Lawson Usima. Wow, 1998. Let's climb this place. Alright, so it's time to go home. Okay, we are not going home yet. We still have a lot to explore in Akwa Ibom State. Akwa Ibom State is a very beautiful state, and it's one of the oil producing states in Nigeria. And so now let's go to Dakada Tours. So let me just show you a look. Big, look at the view. Wonderful, wonderful. Look at how beautiful that place is. Look at how beautiful it is. Like this will make a very good thumbnail, you know. A very good thumbnail. So now, I think I see some people over here. Look at this tree. Big tree. Sorry. Don't fall down. No.
Let me.
Nice. Track him. He's following me. Yeah, let's go. You.
A friend, three of you.
Oh yeah, 3 of us. You come. That's the Takada tour. I have to get there.